We want 70% of the pieces of fruit in the box to be apples. So I'm going to write an equation, and I want it to equal 14, because 14 is the number of apples. And I'm letting X be the number of oranges to be removed. Contents of a certain box consists of that. How many oranges must be removed from the box so that 70% of the pieces of fruit, well, the pieces of fruit, you're going to have in that box for sure 14 apples plus oranges, and my number of oranges will be 23 minus however many I remove. So there's my equation. So let's multiply both sides by 10. So I have whole numbers. So that's going to give me a 7, because that's just 0.7, it's the same thing as 0.70. 7 times 14 plus 23 minus X equals 140. And then 7 times 14 plus 23, 7, that's going to be 37, minus X, equal 140. Notice how I'm not multiplying through by the 7, because that's going to make my numbers larger. I don't want my numbers to get larger. Because see, if you look now, if you divide both sides by 7, 7 will go into 140. So that's going to give you 20. And then negative X equal 20 minus 37 is negative 17. X equals 17 for the number of oranges to be removed.